In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use your Dasher Direct virtual card. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. Using your Dasher Direct virtual card on any store or retailers where credit or debit cards are accepted as a payment method is extremely simple. First, you need to make sure that it is properly set up and activated through the latest version of the Dasher Direct mobile app. So sign into your account inside of the app, and in there switch over to the More options that you can find at the bottom right corner of the screen by tapping the little three lines. When you go over to More, you will find the Manage Card category. Inside of Manage Card is where you will have the option to see your virtual card details, copy them, and start using it. Now, as you can see according to the screenshot, there is no option to view the virtual card here. If you cannot find your virtual card details or you don't have the option just like this screenshot, you will have to either contact the Dasher Direct customer support, update the app, or maybe try verifying your card again. But as long as you have the physical card, your account is properly validated, automatically the option to view your virtual card will appear. When you select View Virtual Card, you will see this screen. So in here you have your Dasher Direct virtual card with all the details available. So you can see it is usually a Visa card, and you can see the details at the left. You can copy the card number, expiration date, and security code, plus the name printed on the card at any time through this page. And as long as you gather these details or this information about the card, you can start using your Dasher Direct virtual card on any store or retailer online that accepts credit or debit cards as a payment method. Simply copy the card number, expiration date, and security code, and input those when you select to use a credit or debit card during checkout. You can also attach the card to a digital wallet if you wish. Just open the digital wallet of your choice, tap the plus sign, and input those details about the card to add it to a digital wallet so you can make contactless payments or pay anywhere that Apple Pay or Google Pay is accepted. I hope I was able to help you on how to use your Dasher Direct virtual card. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.